Let's recapitulate some basic terms related to the working of gears. Now, gear is a simple machine, so it should have a constant velocity ratio. So, what is the velocity ratio of gears? Well, the velocity ratio, or VR, of gears is the ratio of speed of rotation of the driving gear to the speed of rotation of the driven gear. Now, in case of a gear system, the driving gear acts as the effort, and the driven gear acts as the load. So, if the ratio of the speed of rotation of the driving gear to the speed of rotation of the driven gear is written like this, then this is equal to the ratio of their radius, that is the radius of the driven gear to the radius of the driving gear, because we know that speed of rotation is inversely proportional to the radius of that wheel. So, n driving gear divided by n driven gear is equal to r, or radius of the driven gear, divided by the radius of the driving gear. Now, this expression of the velocity ratio is also equal to the ratio of the number of teeth of the driven gear to the number of teeth of the driving gear, and this expression we know is equal to the gear ratio. So, the gear ratio is the ratio of the number of teeth of the driven gear divided by number of teeth of the driving gear. So, with this information given, let us try to solve a sum. In this sum, it is given that the driving wheel of a gear has a radius of 16 centimeter and it has 32 teeth along its circumference. Now, if the driven wheel makes 8 rotation, for every rotation of the driving wheel, we need to calculate the number of teeth of the driven wheel, the radius of the driven wheel, and the gear ratio. So, let us try to see what are the things that are given to us. We know the radius and number of teeth of the driving gear, and it is given that for every 8 rotation of the driven wheel, the driving wheel rotates 1, or we can say the ratio of the number of rotation of the driving wheel to the driven wheel is 1 by 8. That is number of rotation of driving wheel divided by number of rotation of the driven wheel. Now, the velocity ratio is not given to us, that is NA by NB is not given to us, but we can understand that number of rotation of driving wheel by number of rotation of driven wheel can be written as equal to this ratio. So, we can take NA by NB as equal to 1 by 8. So, in order to calculate the number of teeth of the driven gear, we will take this expression. In this expression, NB is number of teeth of the driven wheel, which is not given to us. NA is the number of teeth of driving wheel, which is given to us as 32. Small na is the speed of rotation of the driving wheel, and small nb is the speed of rotation of the driven wheel, and we have just now deduced that na by nb, or small na by nb, is equal to 1 by 8. So, we need to substitute the value of capital Na, that is number of teeth of driving wheel. So, by doing that, the number of teeth of driving wheel into the velocity ratio will give us the number of teeth for the driven wheel. So, by substituting the values, we get the number of teeth of driven wheel as 32 into 1 by 8, which is equal to 4. So, the number of teeth of the driven gear, that is the gear B, is equal to 4 when the number of teeth of the driving gear A is equal to 32. So, now we need to find out the radius of the driven wheel. Now, finding out the number of teeth was easy. Similarly, we can also find out the radius. For that, we will use this expression, that is ratio of the radius of the driven gear, that is RB, divided by RA, that is radius of the driving wheel, is equal to the velocity ratio, which is 1 by 8 we have found out. we substitute the value of Ra as 16 into 1 by 8 will give us the radius of the driven wheel, which in this case is 2 centimeter. So the radius of the driven wheel we have found out to be 2 centimeter. Now for finding out the gear ratio. We know gear ratio is the ratio of number of teeth of driven gear divided by number of teeth of the driving gear. Now we have found out the number of teeth of driven gear previously, which is 4. And the number of teeth of the driving gear was already given to us as 32. The gear ratio would be NB by NA, which is equal to 4 by 32, that is equal to 1 by 8. So the gear ratio for this particular gear system is 1 by 8, or you can write 1:8.